Are you looking for to fix Roblox not moving glitch? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you need to head over to the App Store on your device. Well, in the address bar, you need to search for Roblox. Click on this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then click on update and update the app. Once updated, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Roblox. Once you find the app, click on it. Now tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once done, move into your application Roblox. Once opened, close the app and then reopen it. It will help you refreshing the app. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.